guys, good morning. It's our second day here in Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam, and we are going to take breakfast sa hotel na to, La Vela Hotel. So, yung ating in-avail is kasama ang breakfast doon. So, let's check out the breakfast. We are here in La Vela for breakfast, and we have a huge selection of food, as in like 360. You can check out the food sa buong area. So initially we got, of course, yung kanilang soup. I think it's beef or something soup. And then we have our salad and hash brown, etc. Of course, omelette, and iced coffee.
Yeah.
What's that? Oh my gosh. Grabe sa chin. Grabe.
Let's get it off. Parang ano nila, beef stew.
Guys, yung suot-suot niya ngayong Under Armour. He bought it yesterday for only 100k dong. So that's 200 something lang.
Okay.
Pero super ganda ng material.
Thank you.
Super ganda ng material. And yeah, it's like no, parang anong tawag nun, Han? Yung oo, promise. Try nyo. We're done with our breakfast and we are on our way to explore Ho Chi Minh more. Very good ang kanilang breakfast dito. Masarap. Lahat, actually, masarap naman lahat ng pagkain. Walang extreme yan. Sobrang tama lang sa palate natin. Anyway, masarap yung kanilang fruit juice. And yung mga fruits sobrang sarap din. Masarap din lahat.
Papaya, ang tamis.
Papaya, oo, kakaiba eh, no?
Sobrang
Bakit
tamis.
ganun? And ayun, masarap lahat. Yung mga chicken and all, masarap naman. So, guys, we are here at the infinity pool of La Vela Hotel. So this pool is reviewed as the most beautiful, one of the most beautiful pool view or infinity pool here in Ho Chi Minh, Saigon. So you know why? Kasi located siya sa pinakatuktok ng hotel at makikita mo ang kanyang full view dito sa, so it has 360 view and super nice nito sa gabi. It just so happened na Malakas na naman ang ulan kagabi.
Ito yung pinuntahan ko kahapon.
Pasa tayo doon. May bar. May stage oh. Sumingin kasi minsan.
Haven.
Hindi lahat ng hotel guests may access dito. So, dapat if you were going to book the La Vela Hotel, you have to book the access with Infinity Pool. So, we booked this through Agoda. Okay, the amount for an overnight stay is ranging from 8,000 pataas. Pero actually, nataon na nabook namin to ng magkano nga? 7,000. I think mga ano, tama, 7,000 ano. We'll show you dito kung magkano yung presyo ng booking namin for an overnight stay with free breakfast and an access sa Infinity. Ito naman yung loob ng kanilang sky bar. Sa gym area nila. Gym, spa, and we'll try to also go to their other amenities. So we're moving on to our next hotel, which is Wink Hotel, located sa District 1 na. And then of course, nag-explore na tayo. See you in a bit. So nandito na kami sa Wink Hotel. Sobrang modern, no? Modern looking hotel. It's like you're not in Vietnam.
Ayan sa side sa'yo. Parang street food area.
Yeah.
Kahit sa street food.
Sobrang nice ng kanilang ano?
Concept.
Oo. Very, ano tawag nito? Smart, ano tawag? Smart living, parang something like that. And then you can also do the check-in in an instant, online check-in. They also have laundromat, gym. Check natin mamaya.
May laundry na.
Oo nga, nakita ko laundry service. Very accommodating actually. Pero mamaya, we're gonna still try to check. Dito kami. Tingnan natin yung mga pabilihin. Ang ganda ng concept nito.
Oo nga.
China, the room you book is not ready to check in, so it might take around 1 hour. So when it already 12, and you can check in around 1 p.m. The room is
Okay.
ready at that moment.
So I have a question. You mentioned it's 24-hour stay. Like for example, if we arrive at around 7 a.m., so we can be accommodated, something like that. And then you check out 7 a.m. the next day.
correct.
Really?
Yeah.
At the same rate? Oh, you just have to inform? Or you have to message? We have to message you? Or
Yes. So if you want to check in early, you should confirm it to us first. Like because you check in early, right? So we can keep the room for you guys in case that the hotel is full. If you don't give us a message to say that so we cannot keep the room just like that.
nice. It's the same rate, right?
Same rate, yeah.
It's just flexible time.
Flexible.
Oh, are you the one only doing this here in really?
In Vietnam, be honest.
That's
24
nice.
hours.
Because you know a lot of flight schedule in the Philippines, like we came from La Vela right now, and then we just transferred here. But La Vela has a standard
3 o'clock check-in.
3 o'clock check-in time. However, they allowed us actually because we didn't sleep for more than a day for the flight. So 24 hours, that's good to know because most of the flights are really midnight.
I know.
Yes.
So that's why we really know about guest concerns and also desires. So we just
Okay.
decided to be more professional.
Flexible. Yeah, that's really nice. So guys, you have to check out Wink Hotel because they're the only hotel that that accommodates 24-hour check-in, meaning to say if you arrive at 7 a.m. you will get here.
If you late check in, let's say you late check in around 5 p.m. or 8 p.m. So we can keep the room till 5 or 8 p.m. for you for the checkout time. No fee. Yeah.
So
the same
24
rate.
hours. So from the time you check in, let's say from 5 p.m.
Correct.
And then you can leave at 5
p.m. the next day.
Yeah. Just like around 24 hours for you to stay.
Something different.
Good to know, right?
Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
So as I already confirmed that 1 hour later the room is get ready. So
Okay.
can I help you to get to keep the luggage here first, or you will have lunch and
Yeah, we'll just take a look at the area first. And by the way, I'd like to ask because we don't have any itinerary for today. What are the best places to go here?
That is walking distance.
walking distance. You haven't had lunch yet, right?
Breakfast in the hotel in La Vela. Lunch not yet. Best restaurant or food to eat here.
So near here you can see the river. River, yeah, it belong the river. So you can have a noodles. Vietnamese is really famous about beef noodles.
Okay.
So yeah, that one has not a restaurant. It's just a small area to sell noodles, but it's really famous because Michelin tried and Michelin also like it.
What's the name?
Yes, the name of it is Vietnamese name. So let me tell you.
Okay.
So you just
Go straight.
turn right over there. You see the traffic light there. Just
Okay.
turn right.
Okay.
Go straight a little. Just go straight and keep following on the right hand. You will see on your right hand.
So guys, we are on our way to Pong. Basta, yun. Anyway, actually, nirecommend to ng Wink Hotel na Michelin star. So, nilakad lang natin sobrang walking distance lang from the hotel. Habang inaayos pa nila yung ating room because our check-in is around 1 p.m. Hinihingal-hingal.
Tabi-tabi sila.
Tabi-tabi rin, ano?
Ayun na Michelin guide. Kita mo?
Hindi.
Ayun sa taas. This one.
Thái đậu với một lần. Soft tendon. This one.
One.
Một
And
gân, một có gân. Một viên. Một gân, một viên. Mèo đâu đâu.
we order this beef tendon and beef meatballs. So, syempre, hindi natin alam.
Sabi ko kasi huwag kang mag-experiment.
Meat yung gusto ko eh. Tikman na natin ang ating in-order.
Ikutan na lemon.
Chili. Paano kaya extra meat?
Extra?
Meat.
I don't know. So guys, katangahan natin din natin intindihan. So, how much? Ang hirap kausap. Wait lang. So, nagtatanong tayo kung magkano yung extra meat. Meat only, no? 40? 40.
Okay.
40,000.
Muốn ăn chén nào? Chén
Yeah.
má, chén
Which
nào?
one you want?
Meat?
Meat only, right?
Yeah.
But medium or rare or something?
Sorry?
Medium or rare? One
Medium.
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 Medium hay vừa vừa thôi. Ít vừa thôi, đừng có tái, đừng có chín. Làm đó.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So, hindi natin kasi naiintindihan. Hindi sila nakakaintindi, guys. Baligtad, no? Sila yung hindi nakakaintindi kasi tayo yung hindi nakakaintindi. We'll try it. Yeah. I ordered meat kasi ang beef tendon pala ay litid. Nakakainis. So, lahat ng sunerve sa akin ay ganito. So, walang laman. So, if you order extra meat, oh, that's
Thank
it.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
If you order extra meat, it's 40,000. So, I ordered meat.
Ito oh, lagay mo dito sa gilid. Bebe.
So, ito na siya.
Ah,
Supposed to be, ito yung
order mo.
ordering ko. So, okay na din. Ang bilis ng serving. So, ang daming laman.
Naglagay ako ng chili. Kaya medyo maanghang.
And of course, meron sila mga dahon-dahon. This is located just
Along the
right in front of the river. And, yan. Mabilis naman yung serving nila. Ito yung name mo. Poha? Whatever. Hindi ko ma-describe. Michelin guide siya. Meron din sa Hanoi at dito sa Ho Chi Minh. So, sobrang rich nung
Huh? Good.
really. Maglalagay tayo ng mga dahon-dahon. Second pa. On the second day. Sobrang rich ng ano.
Lemonade with ginger.
So guys, take note of this.
Para sa local na yun, ha?
Yeah, take note of this area. Kasi yung local, nakakatabi namin. Very fluent
30 years na daw
English.
siya kumakain dito.
30 years na siyang kumakain dito. This is the best of all. No? As in, there's only 2 branches here in Hanoi. So, of all the Michelin stars ba?
Yeah.
Something like that. Sobrang the best daw talaga. So, kaya tinatanong niya paano namin na-discover. Kasi ang ginawa namin, guys, we don't have any itinerary. So, every hotel na pupuntahan namin, tatanong namin kung what is best in this area. Tapos pupuntahan namin sa food, sa mga places to visit, parang so, very, ano lang, parang chill-chill na vacation. So, let's eat!
We're gonna taste it. Grabe talaga tapang ng kape nila. Parang tatansya kang kakalaga.
Dito maghahanap din. Ayun na, sa likod mo.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, we're done eating. We're gonna pay. We're done eating. We're gonna pay now. Hindi na natin tayo. Pero sobrang sarap. Sabi talaga no, ano guys, ano to, this is the best among all, ano, must try. Sa harapan lang ng, ano, river. So, riverfront. It's pay now. This is our second fall for this trip. Kahapon versus ngayon, magkaiba. Masarap din yung kahapon.
Masarap din yung kahapon.
Masarap din yung ang hirap mag-qualify. Pero since ito nga, may napatunayan na dahil Michelin star siya. So, definitely ito. So, actually, feeling ko lahat masarap eh. Pero this one siguro dahil ang tagal-tagal ito pinasigusin kaya. So, must try. So guys, we are checking in. So we checked in at around 1 p.m. So tomorrow we check out 1 p.m. also. 24 hours. Best to, no? I mean, kasi di ba yan yung pinakamahirap mag-antay? At saka yung hindi mo ma-maximize yung time mo. So tomorrow at 1 p.m. you can check out. You can advise them daw if you want to late check out din daw. Okay, let's go. 1. Tadaan! Ito na yung ating second accommodation here in Ho Chi Minh. So let's check the CR. Okay. Maliit lang, pero okay naman, no problem. We're just staying here overnight and we are still gonna go out. Kompleto naman. They have complete toiletries, brush, towels, and may mga ano na rin. Dito naman sa area na to, okay, they have hanger set, slippers, mini ref. They have water safe, hair dryer, and lalagyan ng gamit to. So if you're gonna work, they also have workstation here and free of charge lahat ng wifi nila hanggang sa baba. Okay, and this is our bed, TV, and this is our view. So ayan. Okay. Oh, this is the 24 hours ano.
Good.
Buti pa dito may libreng tubig, oh.
Bababa ka na lang. Ano? Macadamia. Wasabi flavor.
Wasabi?
Yeah.
Macadamia?
Wasabi macadamia. Yeah. We'll just check around first. Thank you.
So may convenience store dito sa ano. May mga drinks na. They also have ano, ice cream. Oh, there's ice cream na, no? Gelato. Melona.
Kompleto
Nice.
pala dito.
Yeah. May mga ano din, no?
coffee shop dito sa baba. Sobrang convenient nitong area na to. It's more of a Gen Z thing. We are here at Bưu Điện.
Tampo, Ho Chi Minh.
Hi guys, we are here at Central Post Office in Ho Chi Minh. Saigon pala ito, Saigon Post Office. Hindi siya Ho Chi Minh. I mean,
magkaiba siya?
Yeah. Oh, dalawa kasi post office if you click on the Grab. So from our hotel wing, 30,000 dong lang ang bayad. So 60 pesos, something like that. So let's go inside.
Tourist attraction na talaga siya.
So parang, ay ito, half on, half off. Inquire ka.
Hi. How much for the hop on hop off?
Now we have the one browsing tour, 150. If you want to get on it off, you go in the morning. Yeah.
Night
in the
tour?
morning. We have, yeah, now we have the night tour. So just one round and come back here, 45 minutes to 1 hour.
What time?
What time?
The next one, the night tour after 4 p.m.
Where?
Where? Outside you can see the double decker bus. Stop the left. You go outside and you turn left.
Okay.
You can see the double decker bus over here.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the stop and the night tour. Stop here. You come back and you show ticket. You can get on the bus.
Okay. So mag-hop on hop off tayo later. Every 30 minutes daw yun. 150 dong. 150,000 dong. So it's up to you guys if you wanna try the whole day. They have 24 hours. It's 500k.
Kung gusto nilang bumaba.
Oo. Any place. Sakay ka lang baba every time you see, 'di ba? Parang gano'n. And then meron din mga 4 hours. Pero sa amin kasi night tour lang kasi we just wanted to see the attractions. So this is where you actually send your postcards to your loved ones. Domestic, international person. Nakatabing-katabi lang ng post office.
And cathedral.
Ano yung amoy?
Is this sweet?
Yeah, waffles ka muna. sa Vincom Center. Nasa likod lang siya ng post office. It's a mall. Okay.
Saan natin makikita si Ho Chi Minh? Yung park na sinasabi nila, ayan.
Si Ho Chi Minh?
Di ba may
Nandun sa
park
ano?
yun?
Sa Bentan.
Ayun yun.
Oo.
This is Vincom Center.
Ako mamaya, pakita sa'yo si Ho Chi Minh. Magulat.
Vincom Center.
So guys, ito na ang start ng ating hauling dito sa Winmart, located sa Vincom Center. So, kumuha na agad tayo ng G7 coffee kasi ito na yung pinakasikat nila. Tingin pa tayo ng iba. Chinsu. Gusto mo to, Han? 29. Po.
Ayoko na lumakakita.
Ito 9 lang, oh. 29. Hinahanap ko yung sauce.
Vậy là cái chỗ đó bị hạ xuống một cái rồi.
Oh, this is it. Ano? Ay, sriracha. I'm sorry. Chinsu. Ito daw yun eh. Diba? $28. So, ito na. Yung mga spices. Chili sauce. 12,000. I'm looking for the hot chili sauce. Super hot chili sauce. $13,000. Oh, ano? Garlic chili.
Garlic chili. Okay yan.
Yeah, ayun na. 36. Bili tayo. This one, what's this? I think I need a fish sauce. Han, ito yung fish sauce na ano.
Yung sinasana sa sauce.
Oo, ayan. Diba yan yung binigay sa atin? Naalala mo? 38. Bili tayo nito. Yeah, I think this is it. So guys, itong fish sauce na to, napanood ko dun sa vlog ng pinakasikat na Vietnamese vlogger na sobrang sarap nito and all natural, unlike our own fish sauce. So, dito makikita nyo 38 lang, oh. So, magkano lang siya. So, bumili pa ako. Bibili pa nga ako. Kumuha ako ng dalawa. Kuha pa ako. And then, I also got this one. This one, oh. Mukhang sarap-sarap nito. Grabe. Chili garlic sauce. And it's just 36,000. Ang dami mga version na. Gusto ko magbili ng mga sangkatutak na mga seasoning kasi sobrang sarap na mga seasoning nila. So guys, kakabalik lang namin from post office and Notre Dame Cathedral. Actually, ginagawa naman siya, so hindi mo naman talaga mapupuntahan. Anyway, nagpunta kami nga ng post office and then nagpunta kami ng Vincom Center ba yun? Vincom Center, and then namili kami ng mga kung anik-anik sa grocery because we know na talagang galing dun sa vlogger nga, like what I mentioned, yung sikat na vlogger dito sa Vietnam na talagang best-selling ang kanilang mga sauce. So yun, well, anyway, going back to sa post office, we actually bought some postcards for you guys. So ito, yung mga postcard from, ano tawag dito? Ayan. From Ho Chi Minh, City. So, ito yung cathedral. Ito pa yun. Yeah. Ayan, o. And this one. So, we would like to give it to you guys for at least we can provide you with souvenirs kung saan kami nagpunta. Simula ngayon kapag umaalis kami. So, we'll keep you posted on how we are going to send it to you. Look at my shirt. This will soon to be available sa aming website. We're doing a website. Early next year siguro done na yon. Para at least kung may mga travel guide, may mga kailangan kayo in terms of traveling and all, babasa nyo doon or makikita nyo doon. Plus, of course, yung mga importanteng mga bagay-bagay na kung anik-anik. Basta watch out for it. Inaayos na namin yung website namin. Ang aming website is www.eatpraylovetravelph.com. So, for now, dun sa website na yon, i-highlight natin, of course, we would like to promote the Philippines. So, lahat ng mga lugar sa Pilipinas, na mga tourist spots and all, we'd like to promote it sa Pilipinas and of course sa ibang bansa para at least mapuntahan tayo ng mga turista like yung mga ginagawa natin na pagpunta sa mga bansa din nila. So yun, makikita niyo doon yung mga places to visit and then somehow kung may costing or yung mga where to stay, mga something like that. So soon, balitaan namin kayo about the website that we're doing. So guys, ito na yung pinamili ko. Konti pa to kasi ang liit lang pala ng Winmart ba o Vinmart sa Vincom Center. Hi guys, for tonight's activity we are going on a city tour with this hop on hop off Pag gabi, isang lang no, hindi ka pwedeng hop on hop off. Isang buong ikot lang. Sa umaga, yeah. Pwede mong gawin yun sa umaga like bababa ka sa isang place. Oo. 500,000. Bababa ka sa isang place and then you can hop on anytime dun sa mga target areas. So guys, nandito kami ngayon sa city tour. The last area daw na pupuntahan is street food. This is Fat and Broke. Nice
We're watching
meeting.
all our videos.
Yeah, we love all your videos,
I
you know.
appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you. We won't keep you long.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Enjoy your trip in Saigon.
Thanks. Bye-bye.
Kind words. Have a nice
Bye.
night, guys. Bye.